In this video, we will be reinstalling the bezel that holds the switch, headlight switch, and the headlight switch. Now your headlight switch, it plugs in to these two places. Now there's a air conditioner duct back here in the back, and this air conditioner duct part just butts into that. There are four clips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those clips go into these four places. Now there are 2 screw holes at the bottom, Phillips head screws, and they go into the bottom. All this really clips together very easily. These clip together right here, and I'll show you how to remove them too. They snap in. And to remove them, you push this part, and this one's a little tougher than the other one. So push this little tab, and release it like that. So this little tab right here. And you'll notice there's 4 sides, and one side has a little bump on it, and the bump on it covers up these notches on the socket there. So go back together with that. Go back together with that. Put the bump over here on the side where the grooves are. Get those together. Now this snaps in. So your dimmer knob goes at the bottom, and it just snaps right in. Now where it snaps in, these 4 tabs here hold it in place when they snap in here. So I'm going to go ahead and snap those in right in place. Now it's ready to go in place. Down here at the bottom, right in here, there's a little point that goes into this hole to line it up. Pull this tab down, this knee. We'll show you how to get that knee panel down. All right, so it all to go in with the bottom little first, and then the top. All right, so now it's basically in, snaps in, those 4 snaps. So that's all together. Now you've got the 2 Phillips head screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. All right, pull this panel down a little bit for access. It goes in, panel down right here. Don't over tighten them, but tighten them very snug. Okay, so that's in. Now before I go too much further, I want to show you, I cut a little wedge out of wood, and when I was taking this apart, you can work it in these edges like this and help pull it out. But really when you're pulling it out, you just kind of get some grip on it. Let me get my camera up a little higher maybe. Just kind of get some grip on it and pull it. Now the top will pull out because it's just those 4 things. Top will pull out somewhat, even with the 2 screws in there, but you got to be careful not to break it. These 2 screws are very important to take out. So to take those out, you need to look at this panel right here. This panel has these has these little snaps just like the other part. Snap there and snap down here. All right, and then your screws. I think my battery's gonna go dead, but you just snap those back in on both sides. And then you put these 7mm screws back in here. All right, and then tighten them down, and then these little tabs, these little covers go in, and the little notch right here goes at the bottom. So it snap in just like that. So if my battery goes dead, we're going to finish this one up. Run that 7mm in. I don't know why my battery might go dead. It's a brand new battery. All right, and then you snap this in with the little notch at the bottom. Snaps right in. Now let me show you how to take that out. So if you're going to take it out, you just put a small screwdriver in there and pry it out a little bit like that. Comes out really easily. Same thing on the other side over here, right there. That takes a 7mm head screw and another little tab that I've got laying down here in the floorboard right here. That goes in over there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you just reverse the process. I'm going to talk until my battery goes dead. So you reverse the process. First thing you'll do is take these out, snap the little cover out, take the 7mm screw out there. Same thing over here. Take that screw and that little round cover out. And then over here, you'll just pull that cover out some. And then take your two Phillips head screws out down here. And then just work this out. Just pulling on it, tugging on it, and pull it on out. And it'll come right out. And then you got access to your headlight switch and your wires. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down. Hope this helped out. I didn't see another video like this, so I put it up. And if you will, subscribe. I work on a lot of GMC truck products and tractors and small engines and different things. So I appreciate you subscribing if you can, if this helps you out. Have a great day.